फीचर्स। वाह, रुक जा, थोड़ा सोच लेता हूँ एक और बात।
You asked, we built. This is how I would like to sum up 2025 as a year for us at Dhan. It has been a very important year for us as we have built a lot of features and product based on all the feedbacks and suggestions that we received on our community. Traders across India become part of our Made for Trade community and helped us shape our product journey in this year. They also actively contributed to a lot of engaging discussions about markets, trading strategies and more. We are very grateful for everyone who become a part of our community this year. Our primary motivation behind doing everything is simple. We love building for you. तो चलिए पूरा रिवाइंड करते हैं 2025 को फीचर बाय फीचर एंड मंथ बाय मंथ. Here's how our journey has been.
In January, we saw that the markets were volatile. There was a correction happening. And while all of this was happening, we were of course speaking to our community of traders and investors. And we realized that, they need clarity and confidence to navigate these markets. There were so many changes that were happening and so frequently. A lot of regulatory changes which were of course for their own good. And there was also a lot of external factor at play. So how do you really navigate this market? So in this time, what we thought was, let's do what we are the best at, giving our users the right tools that they need to trade and invest in the markets with clarity and confidence. So we took a step back and built what our users actually need. So here's everything that we built in January 2025. Year की शुरुआत हुई with one of the most requested features from our Made from Trade community, that is Trading Journal. Users बोलते थे हमारे रिपोर्ट बहुत फ्रैगमेंटेड है, सब चीज़ें एक जगह पे अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो हम आप लोगों के लिए लेके आए जर्नल बाय धन, जहाँ पे आपको सब रिपोर्ट्स, बीट होल्डिंग, P&L रिपोर्ट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट, रियलाइज्ड अनरियलाइज्ड टैक्स रिपोर्ट, सब कुछ मिलता है एक ही जगह. दैट इज ऑल स्टेटमेंट्स इन वन प्लेस. The second feature that we launched in January was Market Replay. A lot of traders used to say, काश हम वो ट्रेड को वापस देख पाते. उसके लिए हमने लॉन्च किया Market Replay, जहां आप आपके पास्ट चार्ट्स को कैंडल बाय कैंडल स्टडी कर सकते हो. सिर्फ यही नहीं, आप आपके पास्ट ट्रेड्स को भी स्टडी कर सकते हो. Cool, isn't it? Market Replay is a feature not only for back testing but also for studying your past trades. Feb में Pay Later by MTF got a complete revamp. Cleaner UI, better transparency, faster order execution. Not just that, we slashed our MTF interest rates from 15.99% to 12.49%, all to provide you with more access to leverages. Now we didn't just revamp MTF in Feb, but we also launched something that no broker in the industry provides today. Most brokers provide you with 20-level market depth data. Some provide you with a 50-level market depth data. But on Dhan, we now provide you with full market depth data, allowing you more access to the exchange's order book.
और फिर मार्च में हम लेकर आए सुपर ऑर्डर्स. सुपर ऑर्डर्स में आप एंट्री के साथ टारगेट और स्टॉप लॉस दोनों लगा सकते हैं एक साथ. और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका स्टॉप लॉस ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, तो आप ये भी कर सकते हैं ओनली विद सुपर ऑर्डर्स ऑन धन. और फिर हम मार्च में लेकर आए MTF इनसाइट्स ऑन स्कैनिक्स. क्या आप जानते हैं कि ओवरऑल पूरे इंडस्ट्री में MTF बुक साइज कितनी है? ये है लगभग 1,11,000 करोड़ रुपए. इतने रुपए की वैल्यूज का स्टॉक लोन पर लिया हुआ है. और क्या आप जानते हैं उसमें से कौन से स्टॉक सबसे ज्यादा लेवरेज हैं? तो वो है हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड, जियो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, मजगांव डॉक और भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देखने को मिलेगी स्कैनिक्स पर ओनली इन MTF इनसाइट्स.
अप्रैल में सबसे पहले हमने लॉन्च किया म्यूचुअल फंड्स प्लेजिंग ऑन धन, which was one of the most requested features. अब आप आपके आइडियल म्यूचुअल फंड्स को प्लेज कर सकते हैं to avail margin. The second feature that we launched in April was Auto Trigger Basket. जैसे ही कंडीशन मैच होती है, ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी पूरी बास्केट एग्जीक्यूट हो जाती है. This is the perfect feature if you run multiple strategies.
Then coming to May, हम आइसबर्ग फीचर पे एक मेजर अपडेट लेके आए. धन पे आप आइसबर्ग ऑर्डर्स पहले भी प्लेस कर सकते थे, बट सारे ऑर्डर्स पैरेलली एग्जीक्यूट होते थे. विद दिस आइसबर्ग प्लस, all the orders go to the exchange simultaneously, making sure you get better prices, faster execution and lower impact. And not just this, we brought this little tool for you to keep you updated. इसके थ्रू आप मार्केट्स के इंडाइसेस, अपने वॉच लिस्ट, पोर्टफोलियो एंड इवन पोजीशन को रियल टाइम मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं.
In June,
we were able to ship one of the most requested features from you guys, 100% online HUF Demat account opening, and we love building it for you. And the best part, we were able to ensure it's 100% online, didn't involve any manual paperwork, and could be done in just under 10 minutes.
Let me ask you one thing. What's something a trader wants to see every day morning? It most likely would be the global market data, GIFT Nifty, prices, and also any sort of news or event that has happened or going to happen in the day. Now, to track all of this in a single screen, we have launched Pre-Market Insights that is available between 6:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. in the Dhan app. Not only that, after seeing the love for the MTF interest rates, now we have also upgraded the funding limit to ₹1 crore.
चार्ट्स पर ट्रेड करना ऑलरेडी स्मूथ था, लेकिन अगस्त में हमने उसे सुपर चार्ज कर दिया। विद द न्यू अपग्रेड्स ऑन धन, आप धन चार्ट से डायरेक्टली टारगेट, स्टॉप लॉस, एएमओ और ट्रिगर सब एक ही विंडो से प्लेस कर सकते हैं। ये नया सुपर ऑर्डर विंडो ट्रेडिंग व्यू थीम पे बेस्ड है, व्हिच मींस इट्स फास्ट, क्लीन एंड ट्रेडर फ्रेंडली। मतलब चार्ट्स देखते देखते प्लानिंग भी और एग्जीक्यूशन भी।
September must have been a joyous month for you. We launched Quant Mode and revamped the entire options trading experience as well. Now you can just set your logic and Quant Mode will select the right strike automatically for you. Quite cool, no? Not only that, in the same month of September, we also launched Watchlist 250. Now you can track up to 20 watchlists with 250 stocks in each, making a total of 5,000 stocks. Whether you're tracking different strategies, sectors or time frames, Watchlist 250 allow you to stay clean, organized and powerful.
Coming back to the final feature, we have launched MF Switch. रेगुलर प्लान्स के हाई एक्सपेंस रेशियो और कमीशन से निकलना अब सिंपल है। स्विच MF के फीचर के थ्रू आप एक्सटर्नल म्यूचुअल फंड को डायरेक्ट प्लान में शिफ्ट करवा सकते हो विद अ वन टैप विदाउट पेइंग एनी प्लेटफॉर्म फी के। वेल, दैट वाज सितंबर।
In October, we introduced something that revolutionized algo trading for all retail traders in India, the DhanHQ Algo Marketplace. आज तक algo trading में सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत थी, well, coding. ना सबको coding आती थी and to set it up, it was very complex. With DhanHQ Algo Marketplace, you just have to choose a ready-made algo, subscribe to it and deploy in your account. And उसके साथ आप seamless algo trading अपने धन account में directly start कर सकते हो।
For investors, November brought one of the biggest updates of the year, which was renting stocks via SLPM. अब आपके होल्डिंग्स आप रेंट कर सकते हो to earn some extra income without having the need to sell them out. होल्डिंग सेफ रहती है, along with price appreciation, you can earn some extra income as well. प्रोसेस काफ़ी सिंपल है विद लाइव डिमांड, फ्लेक्सिबल प्राइसिंग एंड इंस्टेंट क्रेडिट ऑफ द रेंटल फी. SLBM is one of the most convenient and easy ways to make some extra money.
Yeah, so well, that was the product team. This is Shubham from the customer support team. At Dhan, we love to engage with you, whether it is over the chats, calls or emails, at anywhere available.
Myself Sanskruti from the Dhan customer support team, and we love to talk to you and we would like to help you out in any way possible. You can reach out to us on chat, phone and email also.
Myself Prince from Dhan customer support, and we love to interact with you over chat, voice, email and multiple platforms. I just want to say thank you for believing in us and keep trading and keep supporting us.
We love
Building for you.
So yeah, that was 2025 at Dhan. Feature by feature, month by month, built with one simple idea in mind to make trading better for you. Some of these features came from DMs, some from late night debates, and some from very strong "ye to banana hi padega" energy. But one thing stayed constant. Your feedback kept us building. But this is just the trailer. 2026 का roadmap और भी exciting है. But that's a story for another video. Till then, keep pushing us, keep giving us feedback. Because at Dhan, we love building for you.